What's up, friend? Hector here from StrongAsHeck.com. So just finished up Jiu-Jitsu and I'm feeling pretty good, and I'm going through like one of my little flows. I do a little something after any training program or any training session, whether it's Jiu-Jitsu, whether it's strength training, what have you. I always go through some aspect of recovery, which is one crucial thing that, for whatever reason, many men and women leave out of their training, either because they don't have time, they don't know what to do, and they just don't want to make things worse, so they leave it out altogether. So I'm going to show you a tiny little flow, something that I take my men through of my coaching programs, how to accelerate recovery, because the truth is, if you can't recover from your workouts quickly, it's going to make it very hard to train hard, train heavy, train often, and stay as healthy and as fresh as possible. So this is something that I call a recovery accelerating mechanism, and it's one of the 3 pillars and one of the 3 crucial steps of our entire training system. So I'm going to be taking you through this tiny little lower body flow, if you will, to work on opening up your hips, and it's going to make your squatting better, it's going to make your kettlebell swings better, it's just going to make life better in general. So I'm going to stop talking, I'm going to dive right in, and I'm going to show you how to improve and how to recover quickly from your workouts with this lower body, lower body movement snack, lower body movement flow, if you will. Let's get started. There you have it, friend, a recovery accelerating mechanism, a little lower body flow. This is going to ensure that you're recovering quickly from your workouts, that we can train hard, heavy, as often as possible while staying as fresh and as healthy as possible as well. So the exercises that we went through, I'll put them into the comment section below or below the blog post below. That way you can kind of steal it as a cheat sheet, put it in action, and I guarantee you'll see your strength, your endurance, your recovery time, all that go to the next level. So give that a try. Let me know how it goes. Hector, StrongAsHeck.com.